Imagine discovering a mysterious pit, believed to contain one of history's greatest hidden treasures. For more than 2 centuries, explorers have spent millions of dollars trying to uncover its secret. Yet, no one knows what truly lies at the bottom. This is the incredible mystery of Oak Island. In 1795, 3 young men noticed a strange circular depression beneath an old oak tree. Curious, they began digging. What they found below would become one of history's greatest treasure mysteries. As the hole grew deeper, workers discovered wooden platforms placed at regular intervals. Who built this incredible structure? And why? Just as the treasure hunters reached greater depths, seawater suddenly flooded the pit. Many believe the island was protected by an ancient flood tunnel designed to stop anyone from reaching the treasure.
Heads up! The water is coming faster! Grab the rope! We have to move!
Today, modern technology continues the search. Ground-penetrating radar, massive drilling rigs, and advanced scanning systems have uncovered fascinating clues. But the mystery remains unsolved.
Drill site beta. Maintain current pressure. Scanners are showing a dense structure ahead.
Some believe the pit hides pirate treasure. Others suggest priceless historical documents, or even long-lost religious artifacts. But no theory has ever been proven. After more than 200 years, Oak Island continues to challenge explorers, historians, and treasure hunters. Is there really a treasure hidden below? Or is the greatest mystery the legend itself? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to HiddenNex for more mysteries, hidden history, and unbelievable discoveries.